Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana. If you're new here, welcome. So today is going to be a twist out tutorial, but it's going to be a little different. I'm going to be doing like a killer combo, kind of inspired by Kimberly Sherrill. If y'all don't know her, I will link her YouTube in the description. She's amazing. She's like my favorite natural hair blogger. Anyways, so today I used the Jane Carter collection. I bought 3 products. I bought their curl cocktail, their elongating curl gel, and their leave-in. Now, these results are actually from this bad boy. So in the video, I used all of these products and I took it out and I didn't like the way it came out, so I didn't film that takedown process. The process that you're gonna see is with these products still in my hair, but I added the wet line extreme gel. So, and guys, when I tell you these products are so moisturizing, like especially for my low porosity hair, I only put the leave-in conditioner in. It was so, like, you could see the curls popping already. If you guys are interested in how these Jane products, how I achieve these curls with this lovely Jane Carter solution line, then continue to watch the video and I'll see y'all in the next one. Okay, so I just washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I'm going to divide that section into 2. Then I'm going to go in with the Jane Carter Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner, and the directions say to apply to clean wet hair, use a powder brush to detangle, follow up with the coiling all curls elongating gel, and that is what I'm doing. And this conditioner, guys, was super slippery, and I love leave-in conditioners that just have so much slip, so moisturizing, and the curls pop immediately as soon as I applied it. And you guys know, within each section I divide that into 2 sections. That's what I'm doing now. So now I'm going in with the Jane Carter Curl Cocktail, and this is supposed to tame and control hard to manage curls. The directions say to apply to wet hair to reduce frizz. It's great for retwisting to reduce shrinkage and add moisture and control. I'm going to go ahead and detangle, then go in with the Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. And the directions say to apply to super wet hair, for best results. Apply in the shower and evenly distribute with a powder brush or a wide tooth comb. Now, later, I noticed that this was a little too light for my hair texture. I usually go in with a lot heavier, thicker gels. This is very lightweight, not my style. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I actually took it down, realized I didn't like it, and went in with the wet line gel and basically did the same thing you see me doing here. So you guys can go ahead and watch me twist up and be back for the takedown process.
生も成し得なかったことだ。さっきも言ったが、平和を生み出し正義をなすことだ。
正義、ふざけんな。ふざけんな。俺の師匠を、俺の先生を、俺の仲間を、俺の里を。
だが、万象天に。
Hey guys, so I just completed the twist out. It's turning out pretty good. This stuff is very lightweight, so I can tell that my twist out is gonna come out very fluffy and just flowy, not very gel down, like, you know, gels like the Mane Choice, Eco Styler, heavier gels basically. So I can't wait to see how this turns out tomorrow. So stay tuned for the takedown, guys. Peace out. Hey guys, so today is about 3 days later after I did that twist out. So what happened was I didn't like the way it turned out. When I put the twist in, I could kind of tell it didn't have the definition that I wanted. So I kind of knew that it wasn't gonna come out right. So what I did was I took it out and everything. I wore it in a low sleek bun. Then I took that little sleek bun out and basically re-retted my hair using, well, water and conditioner obviously, and I used the Extreme Wet Line. So this is already in my hair along with the leave-in, and I used this to define the curls a little more, and then I twisted it. So this is the results. It didn't dry, so I had to sit under the dry. That's why you see some of the twists taken out, but it's not completely done. So that's what we're gonna do today. Right now, I have some great things to say about Jane Carter Solution, but first, just a teensy bit of olive oil to really take down the twist. Some of them are still wet in the bag. It's okay. I'm gonna stretch my roots anyway, and that's gonna dry it. But yeah, y'all know how I like my twist outs to be, and my hair to be in general. I like for the curls to pop. And I use gels and things of that nature. I kind of have to use gels and things of that nature in order for it to pop, because it's not. So comment down below if you really just underestimate takedown processes. I do it all the time, thinking that, oh, okay, like it shouldn't take too long. But in reality, we all know, like, if y'all do a twist out, same amount of time you took to put it in, it's about half the time to take them out. Especially with braid outs and things like that. Way more time.
いや先生も成し得なかったことだ。さっきも言ったが、平和を生み出し正義をなすことだ。
正義、ふざけんな。ふざけんな。俺の師匠を、俺の先生を、俺の仲間を。
Hey guys, so I just stretched my hair with a blow dryer, and this is the results, guys. Very defined. If, like I said, if it wasn't for the Wet Line Eco Styler, it would not have come out this defined. And of course, my handy dandy Denman brush. This comes in handy with all, I don't care what type of curl hair pattern you have. This will make your hair pop with a gel and a moisturizer, boy. Anyway, yeah guys, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next one.